welcome back to my channel. So for the past few days I've really been struggling hard to eat healthy. I'm trying to follow a strict diet. So today I'm here with a healthy recipe. It's called chicken and veggie stir fry. I've done it in my way. It's not really very dry. You can actually combine it with rice or your choice of bread. So let's take a look at the ingredients. So first, let's take a look at the ingredients. We have shredded chicken, vegetables, black pepper powder, green paste which has garlic, coriander leaves, chilies and salt and a juice of 1 lemon. I have onions here, I have some salt, and in case we need water, I would be using my chicken stock. So let's begin with the process. Now that we know what all we need, I would like to mention this one little thing. If you are not somebody who is a fond of spicy food, you can totally skip the part of green chilies in the paste because we are already using black pepper powder, or the reverse is also applicable, whichever is preferable to you. You can also use red chili flakes for your choice taste. This recipe takes a very little amount of oil. I am barely using 1 and 1.5 teaspoon, not more than that, because chicken will again release its own fat in the gravy and will have it. So for the cooking process, I have set my pan on low flame with 1.5 teaspoon of oil in it, and I'll let it heat up for a few seconds and then add the onions. So I'll let the onions cook for a while, turn them into a little transparent and then add the next vegetables. As we see that the onions are properly cooked, next I'll be adding the carrots and my capsicum. Also I'll be adding a little salt and pepper. There goes my pepper and some salt. We'll gradually be adding the salt and pepper in a few steps so that all the salt is not absorbed right only in the one part of the recipe and the other parts remain a little tasteless. Once I've given my vegetables a nice stir, next I'll be adding the green paste. So I'll just put these a little aside and add the green paste. So I've added my green paste. I'll be stirring the entire mix now so that all the flavors are together infused properly. As the vegetables have started cooking and releasing the oils, I'll be adding a little of my chicken stock and cover the vegetables and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes so that all the vegetables are properly blanched and but still there will be a little element of crunchiness in it. So let's do that. Also, before covering up, I would just add the remaining black pepper powder. And then give it a nice stir again, cover and cook it. So now I've been cooking the vegetables for around 5 minutes. I'll just open the lid and check if they are half done at least. Oopsie. So after 5 minutes of covering and cooking these, here is what it looks like. So now I'll be adding the chicken to this so that the flavors of this half gravy thing absorbs in the chicken as well. So I'll just do that. So I've added the chicken and as you can see there's a lot of water remaining in this. I'll not be covering this up again because all of our ingredients are cooked now. I'll just let this sit over the stove for like 15 minutes now so that the water evaporates and the chicken is absorbed in the gravy properly. So at this stage I'll be adding corn flour and water slurry so that this entire thing thickens up a bit and the vegetables and the chicken are coated up with the flavors. Give it a quick stir and allow it to sit for another 2 minutes. Yay! Here and now it's done. So I'll just switch off the gas and it's ready to serve. Now as we see, all the ingredients of our recipe have been properly cooked just as we imagined. we can serve it with little chili flakes. So let's do that. So here's my chicken and veggies stir fry served. I'll be garnishing it with little chili flakes over the top. Just a little bit of it because we have already used black pepper and green chilies in it. So that's it. So here's the final look of my stir fried chicken with vegetables. Have a look. Please do try this recipe and give me reviews in the comment section. So that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and notification should be on so that whenever I come online you get notified. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.